Hello children, how are you all? Children, you know this poem very well. This poem is about a child who doesn't take care of his things. Whenever colors are given to him, he scatters all his colors on the floor and starts drawing or painting on a wall or on himself. So his mother takes away all the painting materials. Now let us recite this poem. Title of the poem is No Pencil. No pencil, no marker, no paintbrush, no pen, no nothing to draw with or paint with again. No blue paint, no green paint, no pink paint, no red. Mum takes them away when I color my hair. Now children, let us do the textbook work of this poem. So take out your English textbook New Voices and open page number 86. Are you ready children? Poem number 11 and title of the poem is No Pencil. Page number 86. Now draw a sleeping line and write today's date on it. Look at the pictures and say what is happening in each of them. Children, we have discussed these two pictures in the previous video and teacher has taught you this poem also. So write L-E-A-R-N, learn on the sleeping line, as you have to learn this poem by heart. Okay, now turn the page. Vegetable painting. This also we have done in the previous video. So let's read the next question. Choose the correct options to complete these sentences. The child did not have any dash. Given options are A. Drawing book, B. Pencil and C. Bag. The child did not have any pencil and that's why the title of the poem is No Pencil. So tick the correct option B. Pencil in the box like this. Now let's go to the next page. The child did not have any dash paint. Now children, in this poem, child's mother took away his red, blue, green and pink paint. Now let's read the options first. A. Brown, B. Grey and C. Pink. So correct answer is pink. So tick the correct option here like this. Number 3. The child's dash takes away his things. A. Father, B. Mother, C. Sister. The child's mother takes away his things because he painted on his hair. So tick the correct option B. Mother in the box like this. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Name the colors mentioned in the poem. Now children, this question and its answer you are going to write in the notebook. So write N.B. like this for your reference. Question number 2. Why does the child's mother take away his painting materials? This question and its answer also you are going to write in the notebook. So write N dot B dot. Question number 3. Did anything like this happen to you? I am sure, children, something like this may have happened to you. Your mother would have shouted on you as you must have tried to draw on the wall. Am I right, children? Question number 4. Do you think the child's mother would give back the things to him again? Yes, if the child will keep all his things in proper place and the child will never draw on walls or paint on his head, the child's mother would give back the things to him again. Okay, understood? Now let's read the next question here. Circle the letter that makes the consonant sound D. The. Now children, here you have to remember there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U, and remaining alphabets are consonants. So there are 21 consonants. For example, B, I, D, bid. Now here consonant D is circled because it makes the sound D. Number 1, B-E-D, bed. We circle the consonant D. It makes the sound D. B-U-D, bird. Circle the consonant D. D. Now turn the page. L-I-D, lid. Circle the consonant D as it makes the sound D. S-A-I-D, said. Circle the consonant D. P-O-D, pod. Here also you have to circle the consonant D. S-E-E-D, seed. Circle the consonant D. Very good. In the word H-E-A-D, head, there are 3 sounds. H, H, E-A, A, D, D. H, A, D, head. Okay. Circle the letters that make the last 2 sounds E-A-D, that is ed. Okay. For example, L-E-A-D, lead. Now here E-A-D, these letters are circled because they together make the sound ed. Okay. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Now here children you have to circle the letters E-A-D as they together make the sound ed. D-R-E-A-D, dread. Circle the letters E-A-D as they together make the sound ed. T-R-E-A-D, trade. Circle the letters E-A-D, ed. S-T-E-A-D, stayed. Circle the letters E-A-D, ed. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Circle the letters E-A-D as they together make the sound ed. A-H-E-A-D, ahead. Circle the letters E-A-D, ed. Now match the given letters to the words where they appear. Number 1, given letters are NT. Now can you see here in this word given letters NT? No. Here can you see given letters NT? Yes. PAINT, paint. Underline letters NT and match them. Now here also again PAINT, paint word is given. So underline NT and match. Number 2, given letters are NK. Can you see here NK? No. Can you see given letters NK in this word? Yes. PINK, pink. Underline NK, letters NK and join them. SINK, sink. Here also you can see the given letters NK. So underline them and match like this. Now here can you see given letters NK? No. Here can you see given letters NK? No. So let's go to the number 3. SH. Given letters are SH. Now here can you see SH letters? Yes. HUSH, hush. So underline letters SH and join them slowly and nicely. Now here given letters HASH. Underline them and join. BUSH, bush. Underline SH and join them. Okay. Now next question is count the sounds. For example, NO, no. No, O, no. RED, red. RAD, red. So 3 sounds, 3 letters. And here 2 sounds, 2 letters. Now MUM, mum. So you have to write here MUM, mum. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Now let's do the next page. Number 2, MY, my. Write MY, my. M and Y sounds as yeah, but when the Y comes at the end of the word, it makes the long sound I. So it's my. Okay. So 2 sounds, 2 letters. Now PEN, pen. 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 Now I. 1 sound, 1 letter. Okay. So you have to write here only I. Now WHEN, when. Now here children, H is silent. So you have to write WH together as H is silent. Then EN. So here, though there are 4 letters, they make 3 sounds. V, A, N, when. Okay, got it? Now next question. Name the pictures. Then fill the blanks with letters that make short vowel I or E or U sound. Now children, here you have to remember vowel I makes the sound E. Then vowel E makes the sound A. And vowel U makes the sound A. Okay. Now number 1. This is a picture of a pin. P-I-N. Pin. Now which vowel makes the sound E? Vowel I. So write here I. P-I-N. Pin. Got it? Now this is a picture of a bed. B-A-D. Bed. Now which vowel makes the sound A? Vowel E. So you have to write here E. B-E-D. Bed. Number 3. This is a picture of a leg. L-A-G. Leg. Now which vowel makes the sound A? Vowel E. So write here E. L-E-G. Leg. Like this you have to fill in the blanks. Now this is a picture of a bin. B-I-N. Bin. And vowel I makes the sound of E. So write here I. B-I-N. Bin. Now this is a picture of a jug. J-A-G. Jug. Now which vowel makes the sound A? Vowel U. So write here U. J-U-G. Jug. Now here this is a picture of a rug. R-A-G. Rug. And you know vowel U makes the sound A. So R-U-G. Rug. Now this is a picture of a mug. M-A-G. Mug. And vowel U makes the sound A. That's why you have to write here U. M-U-G. Mug. And this is a picture of a bell. B-A-L. Bell. Now which vowel makes the sound of A? You know. Vowel E. So write here E. B-E-L-L. Bell. All of you understood? Very good. Now let's read the next question. Underline the letters that make the short O sound and practice the words. Now here you have to underline the letter O as it makes the short sound A. D-O-G. Dog. D-A-G. Dog. So underline O. P-O-T. Pot. P-A-T. Pot. Underline O. K-N-O-T. Knot. Now here you have to remember children, K is silent, so don't pronounce it like knot. You have to pronounce it as knot. Okay. And underline O. S-H-O-T. Shot. Underline O. C-O-T. Cot. Underline O. S-L-O-T. Slot. Underline the letter O. S-P-O-T. Spot. Underline the letter O. F-L-O-P. Flop. Underline the letter O. Very good. Now turn the page. Name the pictures. Say the long vowel in each word. Then fill the words with letters that make long vowel A or I sound. Now children, here you have to remember that when a vowel sounds like its name, it is a long vowel. Okay, so here long vowel A sound is A and long vowel I sound is I. Okay, remember this. Now this is a picture of a cake. Cake. So you have to write here vowel A. Now this is a picture of a gate. Gate. So write here vowel A. Okay. Now this is a picture of an ice. So here you have to write I-C-E, ice. Now here the boy is riding a bicycle. So ride, R-I-D, ride. So you have to write here R-I-D-E, ride. Now this is a picture of a bike. Bike, B-I-K-E, bike. You have to write vowel I. Now this is a line, slanting line. So L-I-N-E, line. L-I-N, line. Now this is a picture of a clock, and clock shows time. T-I-M, time. So you have to write vowel I. R-A-J-U, Raju. It's a name. N-A-M, name. So you have to write here vowel A. Okay, all of you are done? Very good. Now let's read the next question. Underline the letters that make the long O sound and practice the words. Now first given word is B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Now children, you have to remember that when two vowels come together, they make the long O sound, like O and U. These two vowels, they are together and they make the long O sound. O, bought. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Now here also A and U, these two vowels, they are together and they make the long O sound. So taught. So here you have to remember OU together make the long O sound and AU together also make the long O sound. Now C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. So underline AU. O-U-G-H-T, ought. Underline OU. H-A-U-N-T, haunt. Underline letters AU. F-O-U-G-H-T, fought. Here also you have to underline OU. J-A-U-N-T, jaunt. Underline letters AU. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Underline letters OU. All of you are done. Now let's go to the next page. Fill in the blanks with suitable words with long vowel A or I. I like to dash my dog for a walk. I like to take my dog for a walk. T-A-K. So write here T-A-K-E. T is already written. So write A, K and E is already written here. Okay. Number 2. Daddy and I dash a cake for mummy. Daddy and I made a cake for mummy. M-A-D-E. Made. Now children, you can see in first and second sentences we have used long vowel A. Okay. Now number 3. What dash does the class start? What time does the class start? T-I-M-E. Time. Number 4. I am riding a bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. Now in sentences number 3 and 4 we have used long vowel I. Got it? Very good. Now let's read this. Learn the poem by heart, then recite it using rhythm, action and expression. Children, here we have finished our textbook work. Now let's write questions and answers in the English notebook. For that, let me come to you. Hello children, are you ready with your English notebook number 1? Then open the next new page and write today's date in the red column. Then write poem number 11, No Pencil. See how teacher has written and write nicely. Okay. Then write answer the following. A-N-S-W-E-R answer. T-H-E the. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G following. Now next new line, write question number 1. Q.1. Name the colors mentioned. M-E-N-T-I-O-N-E-D mentioned in the poem. Now let's write the answer of this question. So write A-N-S dot. Blue, comma, green, comma, pink and red are the colors mentioned in the poem. Okay, then leave one line and write question number 2. Q.2. Why does the child's CHILD' mother take away the painting materials? PAINTING painting. MATERIALS materials. Now next page write ANS dot answer. The child's mother takes away the painting material because the child colors his head with the paint. Yes, very good. So children, complete the written work of this poem like this and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.